Have you ever wanted to create professional looking certificates without spending hours on design software? Today, I'm going to show you how to make stunning certificates on Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for school achievements, corporate events, or personal milestones, designing certificates can be fun and effortless. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. On the main dashboard, type certificate into the search bar. You'll instantly see a wide variety of templates designed for different occasions. Scroll through and pick one that fits your event or purpose. It's a huge time saver and makes customization easier later. Once you've chosen a template, click Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor where your design journey begins. Start by editing the text. Click any text box to add the recipient's name, the achievement, the date, or any other important details. Play around with fonts and sizes, but keep the text clear and readable. Next, adjust colors to match your event or brand. Canva offers a palette to choose from, or you can enter a specific color code for a perfect match. You can also tweak other design elements, swap backgrounds, reposition graphics, or add new visuals to make your certificate truly unique. When everything looks perfect, preview your design one last time. Satisfied? Download it in your preferred format, whether for printing or digital sharing. And just like that, your certificate is ready to celebrate someone's accomplishment beautifully and professionally. Now, it's your turn to get creative and make certificates that impress. With Canva, it's never been easier to design something meaningful in minutes.